Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's quickly see what's going on with VeChain. VeChain, it's at 5 cents and 401. So it came all the way down to 0.04497. And at the moment, VeChain is just trying to come back up and try to hit this. Like whenever you have this big fall, or they always come back and try to retest the used to be support, and it's going to come as a resistance now. If it breaks it, that's going to be amazing, but if it gets rejected, then it will fall further down, okay, because you can see this yellow EMA is coming up and is going to act as in resistance, okay, in the 4-hourly. But if you look in the daily, let's see where it is, okay. In the daily, it's pretty far away right now, okay. So you might see some consolidation, after it touches this line, and it might just consolidate. If it breaks it and goes to the upside, if it breaks this resistance, okay, let's say it does something like this, break, and comes and holds the support, then goes up, then this is going to be perfect, okay, because then you can see a potential maybe like something like this, like a inverse head and shoulder. If this plays out, okay, a lot of projects are trying to come up with that inverse head and shoulders, or trying to form it, let's put it that way, okay. Same way like we had this head and bearish head and shoulder pattern, we can also make up like a inverse head and shoulder like that, okay. So, and this can be the neckline. So I mean, that's if it happens, okay, but in order for it to do that, it has to break this, and then also the white line, okay. So can it do that? I mean, it all depends on Bitcoin, to be honest. So at the moment, you can see how this chart is just explaining everything, these lines. I mean, you just want to see, come and find its support. Once it finds its support level, then yeah, we can build a case that we can have a reversal, and it's gonna move up, because if you look at the RSI, look at this line, it has broken this key support in the RSI as well, okay. Let's look at the monthly. Yeah, even in the monthly, you can clearly see how the volume is just coming down. We just need a big green candle, something like that, this one. So let's see what happens. I mean, because at the moment it's just gonna play around in between the 55s and the 48s and the 49s. But the strongest support it has, to be honest, is right over here. This is the strongest area of support. So, I mean, if it comes down there, that's accumulation zone, to be honest. Over there, over here, I'm sorry, over here somewhere, wherever it comes, these are accumulation zones. I mean, it's just 2-3 pennies away, right? So if it gets over this yellow line, okay, then the direction will change. This yellow line, it's at 5685, okay, the direction will change to the upside, because this will come in as a support. But we have to now set in the weekly, what's today? So we have about 14 hours left for the new weekly close. But if it closes below this yellow line, the weekly candle might come down. Okay, as you can see over here, I can just explain it really quick. Like, mm, let's see. Okay, so this weekly candle is going to the, see, this was a down candle, this was a green candle, then another green candle opened to the upside, then upside, 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 then we had a bearish candle over here, then downside, 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 downside. Okay, so if this candle, which is a big red candle, if it closes below this yellow line, as you can see, when this candle uh, th this candle opened above, okay, this yellow line, we went to the upside. Okay, this is a complete reversal. Okay, so I hope that makes sense what I'm trying to portray. And if it, we might just come to these levels. Okay, but anything can happen. We still have 14 hours to go. Hopefully it can go above this yellow line and close above it, and then we can have a big green candle right over here. Okay, so if that happens, that's going to be bullish. If it closes below this line, that's bearish for the short term. Okay, but okay guys, this is it for VeChain. Thank you so much and have a good day.